Welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today we are making a delicious healthy chicken breast meatloaf. Juicy, tender, and full of flavor. Perfect for a comforting family meal or even meal prep for the week. Just look at that. Golden on the outside, soft and moist inside. Let's start by cutting boneless chicken breasts into smaller pieces, just enough to fit into the food processor. We will grind it until smooth. This makes the meatloaf tender without needing store-bought ground chicken. Next, I am chopping half an onion for some sweetness and texture. Add it right into the ground chicken mixture. Now 2 eggs, they will help bind everything together beautifully. To this, add breadcrumbs, milk for moisture, salt, Italian seasoning, freshly cracked black pepper, a touch of ketchup, and for a little kick, some peri-peri sauce. Finally, a sprinkle of parsley. Fresh is best, but dry works just fine. Mix everything well until combined. You will see the texture come together just like traditional meatloaf. Brush your loaf tin with melted butter. This not only prevents sticking, but adds flavor and color. Add the mixture into the pan and press it down evenly. Flip it once if needed to shape it perfectly. Smooth out the top. A neat loaf bakes evenly and looks great when sliced. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until it's cooked through. So while it bakes, let's make a simple glaze. Half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of barbecue sauce, and a couple of spoons of brown sugar. Mix well for that sticky, sweet, tangy finish. For a healthy side, steam some fresh broccoli until bright green and tender. It pairs perfectly with the meatloaf. Once the loaf is baked, take it out and pour that glaze all over the top. Spread it evenly so every bite gets that flavor. Then back into the oven for another 10 minutes. After baking, check the internal temperature. It should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it is perfectly cooked and juicy. Garnish with some fresh parsley for a pop of color, or dry if that is what you have, like I do. Do you prefer chicken breast meatloaf or ground beef meatloaf? Write it in the comments. Thank you. Look at that texture, moist, flavorful, and full of goodness. Serve it warm with your steamed broccoli, a wholesome, balanced meal that everyone will love. Thanks for watching Gloria's Platter. If you enjoyed this healthy twist on a classic, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy home-cooked meals. Watch another video.